Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things personal finance. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the 10 best side hustles of 2023 that you can do while still having a full-time job. Side hustle number 1. Freelance writing or editing. Our first side hustle is freelance writing or editing. If you have strong writing or editing skills, you can offer your services to businesses or individuals who need content created or edited. This can be a great way to earn some extra income on the side. Side hustle number 2. Graphic design. Next up is graphic design. If you have a talent for design, you can offer your services to create graphics, logos, and other visual elements for businesses or individuals. This is a skill that is always in demand and can lead to some great side income. Side hustle number 3. Social media management. Our third side hustle is social media management. Many businesses are in need of individuals who can manage their social media presence, including posting content, responding to messages, and engaging with followers. This can be a great way to earn some extra money while also building your social media skills. Side hustle number 4. Website development. Next up is website development. If you have experience in website development, you can offer your services to create and maintain websites for businesses or individuals. This is a skill that is always in demand. Side hustle number 5. Online tutoring. Our fifth side hustle is online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject or you know a particular language, you can offer your services as an online tutor to help students learn and succeed. By doing this, you can generate extra money while also sharing your knowledge and expertise. Side hustle number 6. Photography. Next up is photography. If you have a passion for photography, you can offer your services for events, portraits, and other projects. This can be a great way to earn some extra income while also pursuing your passion. Side hustle number 7. Personal shopping. Our seventh side hustle is personal shopping. If you have a talent for fashion and shopping, you can offer your services to help individuals shop for clothes, accessories, and other items. You can make some extra income while also pursuing your passion for fashion. Side hustle number 8. Fitness coaching. Next up is fitness coaching. If you have a passion for fitness, you can offer your services as a fitness coach or personal trainer to help individuals reach their health and wellness goals. This can be a great way to earn some extra income while also helping others improve their health. Side hustle number 9. Pet sitting or dog walking. Our ninth side hustle is pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, you can offer your services as a pet sitter or dog walker to help pet owners who are unable to care for their pets during the day. This can be a great way to earn some extra income while also spending time with animals. Side hustle number 10. Event planning. Finally, our 10th side hustle is event planning. If you have experience in event planning or have a knack for organizing events, you can offer your services to help businesses or individuals plan and execute events. This can be a great way to earn some extra income while also putting your organizational and creative skills to use. There you have it, the 10 best side hustles of 2023 that you can do while still having a full-time job. Remember, it's important to choose a side hustle that aligns with your skills and interests and that you can manage alongside your job. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips and strategies.